Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'll show you how to download and sign in into TurboTax. First, you should go and open your browser and search for Intuit TurboTax. Then go and open the first option or the first link that you can get. And after that, it will redirect you to this page. You can simply click on sign in or sign up. If you want to create an account, click on sign up. But here in my case, I already have one. And you click on pricing right here. Here you will find all the prices of TurboTax so that you can get them. And down below here, you will find more and more options and more details about each plan. So simply I'll click on start for free, for example. It will tell you that pay only when file. Now you'll have to provide your email address, password, and the phone number. And now once you sign in into your account, you can simply click on got it and go step by step through entering all of your info, and you will be able to complete your process. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.